I would like to show you the easiest and fastest way to retrieve IBM Planning Analytics data directly in Google Sheets, and build a simple report using just basic spreadsheet experience, and TeamOne Google Sheets add-on. Let me start by creating a new Google Sheets document. I will select TeamOne sidebar from the Extensions menu. Since this is my first time using TeamOne, I will need to add a new TM1 connection. The configuration screen will pop up automatically. Here we can click the Add button and select the TM1 Connection option. Let's name it TM1 Test, specify the server host, port number and of course my TeamOne credentials. Now this connection will be available in all my other Google Sheets documents where I use TeamOne, so I don't need to configure it for each spreadsheet. I can close the settings screen and refresh the configuration in TeamOne sidebar. Now let's try to build a simple report. We are going to use the revenue cube from 24 Retail TeamOne sample database. We want to see gross revenue. And we would like to compare actual 2020 versus budget 2021. Let's use phones, tablets and PCs on the rows. The last step is to add the TeamOne formula. When you start typing it, the function help will pop up, telling us to use the cube name as the first argument, followed by the row range, followed by the column range and finally the title range. Okay, now let's click the Recalculate option in the TeamOne sidebar. I would like to narrow this down to Canada only and see a breakdown by internet and retail distribution channels, so I will add those elements and adjust the formula. And we'll refresh the data again. Now let's calculate the difference using a simple Google Sheets formula. And Google is smart enough to suggest the correct formula. We will copy it down for all the rows. Let's add some formatting to make it look nice. Let's make it even more fancy, by adding alternative colors and some conditional formatting. For instance, we can highlight differences greater than 1 million. The report is ready to be shared with your colleagues and you can refresh the data anytime.